Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to remove your E39's driver's side door handle, door lock mechanism and the door barrel. To remove the door card, remove the two screws located, one at the interior door handle and one inside the air vent. To remove the interior door handle screw, you will need to remove the cap first using a flathead screwdriver. Once you have removed the screws, it's time to remove the door card. There are about 8 clips holding the door card. Remove the clips using plastic trim remover as you wouldn't want to scratch your paint. You would also need to remove the control switch by inserting the tool between the switch and push it upwards. Once again, use a plastic tool as other tools will scratch and even rip the lever. Once you have safely removed the control switch, you will need to remove the 3 connectors. Now slightly pull the door card towards you and push the interior door handle through the hole so you can free the door card. You would also need to remove the courtesy footwell light. Now to gain access to the door mechanism and barrel, you will need to remove the speakers and the airbags. Make sure you don't remove the airbag connectors as they may cause a problem. If you still want to remove the airbag, make sure that you have safely removed the battery as you wouldn't want any accident. Using a 10mm socket, remove the airbag. Make way to the connectors by opening the vapor barrier and loosen up the door mechanism and the airbag connector, and remove the interior door handle. Now remove the speakers by removing the 3 screws and get the vapor barrier out your way to remove the door handle and the barrel. There are 2 connectors on the door handle located, one at the left side and one at the bottom. Remove them. Now to remove the door lock mechanism, there are 3 T25 screws located, 2 at the sides and 1 at the front. It's time to remove the door handle. To remove the door handle, you need to slide the rail to the left, but first you need to pull the part of the rail so it's free from the stop, as shown in the image. Once you have freed the door handle, put it down to make way to remove the T220s located, one at the left side and one at the right. Remove the door lock barrel and then pull the door handle down again to remove the handle. It's going to be a little hard to remove the mechanism as the barrel is also connected with cable, but you will need to first remove the door mechanism and then the barrel. However, in my case the cable was snapped so they came out separately. If you have liked my video, please make sure to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.